Tonight, me and my friends are going stomping in Brussels. There is a pre-party to even stomp some more at the place of my friend Leon, and he is a DJ. How epic would it be to record the whole set, put some lights on it, put some smoke on it, how to make a DIY boiler room. Een marietje is ook van de partij, zie. Hier is een klein marietje. Lights are very important, eh guys? I made like a DIY LED box. It's like a DIY controller to control LED strips. God damn it, I think I have a LED addiction. You have 4 different outputs. On the front you have a touchscreen to select effects. And then the best thing about this project, you can take the DJ output, put it in this box, and it will transform the audio signal into light. I hope this thing still works though. I even added my logo. We are gonna use like NeoPixel LED strips, like the best ones available. Whoppa. It's connected through Wi-Fi, so it acts as a master. I have one LED strip on my kitchen table, but I also have one at my desk, and everything is just connected. As you can see, I split the effects in calm, medium, hard. I think this will be nice in the boiler room, like with the smoke and then some strobe. Next to the LEDs, we also have some DMX gear. This is like a little DMX panel, very cheap, very good. Yeah. This thing was like 30 euro, also from AliExpress. It feels like complete shit, believe me, but it does the job. Okay, let me break this down. Very simple. You have like different faders. Oh, they're really cheap. God damn. For each channel on your fixture. So we have like the disco ball. Everything from China, yes. Wow, there is so much dust on that thing. This fader can be like the movement of this axis. This one can be this one. So I made also some calm, medium and high modes. Next to the disco ball, we also have a laser. Oh wow. Okay, you can choose a button, program them both, and they will go crazy. This one, maybe also AliExpress, who knows? And to transmit everything, you can use like a cable output to the input of your fixture, but then when everything is from China, and then the only thing not working is like your... God damn. I found these wireless transmitters. These were kind of expensive, but these are very nice. You put one in your fixture, one in your DMX panel. You can put a lamp over there and not worry about cables or anything. Put a lamp over there, yeet those faders around, and everything works. There's also a light on the DJ, and I think this light will be perfect for that. DJs always have a small light on them to make them stand out of the crowd. This one is for the autistic people. I will just leave it like this to trigger some, to rage bait some people, yes. Very important. Smoke. Every time we're going out and guy puts on smoke, we're like all smoke. This one is also from China. You also have a little remote. When I go raving and there's a lot of smoke, I really like it. I even love it. Like the lighting, the strobe mixed with the smoke, moving silhouettes. I like the dark atmosphere. I think it's peak raving. Plus, also, with smoke, you see the laser. You don't get just a dot. You see the light beam, you see the laser. Smoke is nice. And a lot of smoke, even better. For the cameras, first camera, we're gonna use a GoPro. We were like discussing, should we maybe aim it to Leon? Should we maybe aim it at the decks? But we are going for Leon because yeah, Leon is more important than a little bit of fake turning at the knobs. So first camera, medium shot of Leon. Second camera, we're using an Insta360 RS. And we're gonna put it at the back of the room. I think it will be nice. Hela. Little Marietje is trying to drink from my smoothie. I think it will be nice to have like a wide angle shot from the back of the room with the smoke, with the lights, with the people. And for the last camera, we're using the big guns, my FX3. It's a lot of money, but I think it will be worth it because I see it also like kind of portfolio-wise. If this could be nice, why not? But we have to be very careful because we are using lasers, and lasers are like the destroyers of sensors. So yeah. I checked with Leon and he already told me he can like record the audio of his set on his DJ program, on his software, so that's very nice. But the people coming who wants to stomp also need to hear something. They have like 2 big speakers already placed there, one on the left, one on the right side. Marietje is breaking down my house again. And then also one big ass subwoofer. It's an active setup, so it means it doesn't need an external amplifier to power the whole thing. It's actually a dream of mine and Leon and Manu, his brother, to have one day a big techno club. So maybe this is like a good start to see how it works, how everything goes. I'm more hyped for your set than for Nova, I'm not gonna lie, Ast. Okay, let's unpack everything and I'm gonna start with the LED strips. Like one there and one there. Ooh. Okay, I even have the wrong connectors. What the f***? I can't even connect the thing. Oh, yikes. We have light, baby. Ooh, wee.
A professional at work.
The LED strips are done. 2 LED strips, very nice. We're gonna install the DMX panel. I'm gonna put the panel right there so I can dance a little bit and I can control the lights in the meantime. How do you like it?
God!
Reacties. I also made a little AI intro and this is the first time we're gonna listen to it. I asked ChatGPT, hey papi, write me a Tomorrowland-like intro, please.
Dreamers of the night, welcome to a basement where music unites us all.
And the thing gave me some useful stuff to work with. I put it in an AI text-to-speech translator, gave it some tweaks, some sound effects, some music, and we're golden.
Music unites us all.
Oh shit.
Feel the energy rising. Feel the bass in your chest.
The bass.
Let the lights guide your soul.
Bruh, the first issue, my LED box doesn't work anymore. I'm gonna troubleshoot a little bit. Yikes. The first people were arriving, so we needed to hurry up. The cameras were installed, the lights were installed, but we really needed to start because some people had to catch their train to go to Brussels.
Hey Leon, dan moeten we nu starten, hè? Waar starten, hè? Camera's. Alles in groep? Alles in
2 seconds before the recording, somebody yeeted the Insta360 off the table. We quickly fixed it and we were ready to go. Are you hyped? Okay, hyped. Ah! Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, dreamers of the night, welcome to a basement where music unites us all. Feel the energy rising. Feel the bass in your chest. Please welcome DJ Newell.
Excuse my tits.
Nothing is real. This is AI.
Dude, it was amazing, ass. What the f*** wel set, joh. Let's go. Oh, ze is zo aan het zweten, ass. Moet je... Ass, dit is zo hot.
Hey, some guy, light guy, filmen, die guy zo. Oh, dat is niet te bedoelen. I know a guy.
Oh my god. Oof. It was epic. It was epic. Fuck, okay. Just the vibe, the people, the screaming, has the lights, the music. Everyone was like stamping for his life. Maybe it was a bit too much for me to do the lights and the camera work, but I think it was okay. All the people were like sweating for that, and we still had to go to another rave. That was insane actually. For the next time, I think we should add more cameras, so we have like more variation in the shots. You can watch the whole set on Leon's DJ channel. It's called Null. I will put the link in the description. Let me know in the comments what you guys also think. From my heart, thank you so much all for subscribing. I really didn't expect like almost 500 people subscribing. It's nice. And to boost a little bit the algorithm, the first 5 people who follow me on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube and leave a comment on this video will get a free patch, and the design is again top notch. If you did those things, send me a little bit of proof. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.